Hey Dev, Jen here. We're currently in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and we're gonna go visit one of the biggest shopping malls in the world. Let's go!
We just arrived at Utama, which is Malaysia's largest shopping center. It's located 30 minutes from the city center, and we took a Grab, which cost us 18 ringgit, so about $6 to get here. I'm so excited, but before checking everything out, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bells because we will be doing a Malaysia series. All right, let's go exploring.
Whew, it's so hot outside. I think that's the reason why they built so many malls in KL, just to escape the heat. If you're Malaysian, let me know if I'm right. We've seen like 9 malls. So either one, you guys like shopping a lot, or 2, you like the AC.
This mall has over 650 stores and is 5.5 million square feet, which is the size of like 100 football fields. It's ginormous. Oh yeah, Dev, tell them why you're so excited today.
Okay, so we did our research. We found out this mall has an indoor surfing activity called FlowRider. So I've never done this before, and we're gonna head there right now.
Okay, let's go.
We just arrived at the FlowRider. It took us a while to get here because the mall is so big. So this cost me around 55 ringgits for a 1-hour session, which is around $18 Canadian. Jen's not doing this because she's a giant loser. Just got changed. So they have actually a pretty cool locker system here. They have no keys or cards to open your locker. You just have this little barcode in this wristband, and you put it up against the wall and it pops open your locker for you. If I get a single drop of water on my hair, it means I failed. I think it's similar to riding a bicycle. See those metal rails? I'm gonna grind on those. I want to do like a triple backflip.
The sad walk of shame.
Just finished my surfing session. I'm officially a FlowRider, and I'm now ready to take on the Bali waves.
All right, it's lunchtime now and we're starving, so we're gonna find something to eat. It looks like there's a food street down there, so let's go check it out.
We're at Sake Sushi, and I've been craving sushi for so long. They have this little cool iPad to order your menu, and they have a little cool conveyor belt as well. We now got the salmon mango maki. It has salmon, mango, little mayonnaise on top, and some fish balls. Can't wait to try it. We just finished lunch. It was so good. It cost us 54 ringgits, which is around $18 Canadian. Let's go explore more of the mall.
They also have AirRider here, which is pretty much indoor skydiving, but no one's here right now, so let's go see what else there is.
We just left IT Live to get some delicious drinks. I got their signature black diamond coffee.
And I got their original milk tea, which usually comes with pearl tapioca, but I got black grass jelly instead, just because I love the combination.
This cost us 18 ringgits, so around $6 Canadian.
So good. Cheers.
Hey guys, they have a secret garden and a rainforest, but the secret garden is only open on weekends, so unfortunately we can't go because it's Wednesday, so let's go check out the rainforest.
Saying that this is Malaysia's first Evo Mall. I mean, I can't believe they built this beautiful rainforest inside here. It's so peaceful and relaxing. Honestly, the perfect place to come to when you're tired from all that shopping. And they even have a bunch of restaurants surrounding this area. So we're going up these long escalators right now because we've never been to the top floor just to see what's up there. Also behind me, there's a Starship Galactica place that looks like it's a really awesome place for kids. So if you are coming to the mall with kids, that looks like a perfect place to take them.
Jen spent her entire day in there.
No, I didn't.
For those of you who like to bowl, they have a bowling alley inside the mall. How did they fit this in here? It looks super lit. On the 5th floor of the mall, they even have a rock climbing gym called Camp 5 Climbing Gym. How insane.
On top of that, they also have a karaoke bar on the 5th floor. How crazy is that? It's right behind me. So we found a map that gives a great overview of where everything is. Can we just appreciate how much entertainment this mall has? We got FlowRider, which is surfing, AirRider, indoor skydiving, Golden Screen Cinemas, Wangsa Bowl, which is their bowling alley, Neway karaoke box, Camp 5, which is their indoor rock climbing, and even the Secret Garden, not to mention the rainforest that they have throughout the mall. After all those activities, we're so hungry, so we gotta get some dinner. We're now at Gantetsu restaurant, which is a Hokkaido ramen restaurant. So I got the original Hokkaido ramen. And Dev, what did you get?
I got the duck ramen. Look how juicy this duck is. It's like the chef injected more juice in the duck to make it more juicy. Alright, let me try it.
How juicy is it?
Too juicy. It's probably like 20 out of 10.
4 ringgits for the duck ramen.
$8.
And 17 ringgits for the Hokkaido ramen. Not bad.
Yeah.
Sometimes the AC in the mall is so cold that I love having a bowl of ramen just to warm us up. Never leave the broth out. That's comfort food right there.
I just found a bun shop. It's called Roti Boy, and it looks super delicious. I think I know what I'm gonna get. With buttermilk, sinfully milky. So they state that one is never enough. We'll test that theory out.
Ooh, sinfully milky.
Just got my Roti Boy. Cool packaging. Smells delicious. Really warm in the hands. I think it just came out of the oven. And I'm gonna dig right in. Oh man, it's so warm. It's so soft. Whoa.
How sinfully milky is it?
It's like biting into a tub of butter. Look at it.
Whoa, what's inside that?
It's like a bar of butter. Of goodness.
All right, my turn.
How sinfully milky is it?
Milky, milky Cocoa Puffs. I'm all about that cholesterol clogging life. Whoa, I can like literally see the butter in here.
Do you want a straw? Okay, we're gonna end the night by watching a movie. We're gonna watch some Bad Boys. So the funny thing about this mall is that it's so big, it has 2 cinemas.
Oh, yeah.
As if one wasn't enough. So Jenna, what do you think about the mall?
Honestly, this mall was by far my favorite, the most impressive because there's so many things to do here. I mean, you can't possibly do them all in a day, but it's still so worth coming here. Anyways, let us know what you guys thought of the mall, and don't forget to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace! Holy McJeebus, look at all that space. Like, what do you even do with all that space? Loser! Hurry up, you're embarrassing me. Are you done being a child yet?
Very brave.